Jobs and employment in India. India is a country with a large population and a diverse economy, offering various job opportunities to its citizens. However, despite the country's significant economic growth in recent years, unemployment remains a significant challenge. This article aims to discuss the current state of jobs and employment in India, highlighting the challenges faced by job seekers and the initiatives taken by the government and private sectors to improve the situation. Overview of jobs and employment in India. The job market in India is vast and diverse, with various sectors offering employment opportunities to job seekers. The country's economy is primarily driven by the services sector, contributing around 55% of the country's gross domestic product, GDP. Other significant sectors include manufacturing, agriculture, and mining. Despite the country's significant economic growth in recent years, India's unemployment rate remains high, with an estimated 6.5% of the population unemployed in 2021. The situation is worse among the youth, with an unemployment rate of 23.7% among those aged 15 to 29 years. Challenges faced by job seekers in India. The job market in India is highly competitive, with a vast number of job seekers chasing a limited number of job opportunities. This has resulted in several challenges for job seekers, including lack of skills. Employers often complain that job seekers lack the necessary skills and knowledge required for the job. This has resulted in a skills gap, where the skills possessed by job seekers do not match the skills demanded by employers. Limited job opportunities. Despite the country's economic growth, job opportunities remain limited, especially in rural areas. This has resulted in many job seekers moving to urban areas in search of better job prospects. Informal employment. A significant percentage of the workforce in India is engaged in informal employment, such as street vending, small businesses, and self-employment. These jobs are often low-paying and offer no job security or social benefits. Gender bias. Women face several challenges when it comes to finding employment in India. Gender bias is prevalent, with women often being paid less than men for the same job. The lack of safety and security also makes it challenging for women to work in certain sectors. Government initiatives to boost employment in India. The Indian government has taken several initiatives to address the challenges faced by job seekers in the country. Some of these initiatives include skill development programs. The government has launched several skill development programs aimed at equipping job seekers with the necessary skills and knowledge required for the job market. These programs offer training in various sectors, including construction, healthcare, and hospitality. Make in India. The Make in India initiative aims to boost manufacturing in the country, creating job opportunities in the process. The government has also offered several incentives to foreign investors to set up manufacturing units in the country. Startup India. The Startup India initiative aims to promote entrepreneurship in the country, providing job opportunities to those who wish to start their businesses. The government has offered several incentives to startups, including tax exemptions and funding. NREGA. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, NREGA, guarantees 100 days of employment to those in rural areas who are willing to do manual work. Please check the description for more. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.